Welcome to Speak Real English Shadowing Practice Podcast, where you learn to speak English naturally, confidently, and fluently. In today's episode, you'll practice a real workplace conversation about discussing deadlines, priorities, and workload with a colleague. Listen first, then repeat aloud. Focus on rhythm, stress, and natural pauses, just like native speakers. Let's begin. Hey, do you have a minute?
Sure, what's up?
I wanted to talk about the project deadlines.
Oh, yes, I was meaning to check on that too.
I'm feeling a bit overloaded this week.
Yeah, what's on your plate?
The client report is due Thursday,
Right.
and the budget review is scheduled for Friday morning.
That's tight.
Plus, I still need to finalize the presentation slides.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah,
Which one is the top priority?
the client report, definitely.
Because of the external deadline?
Exactly. We promised them delivery by Thursday noon.
Okay, that makes sense.
The presentation is internal, so it's a bit flexible.
That's good.
But I still don't want to rush it last minute.
Of course.
Quality matters.
Always.
Do you think I should postpone the budget review prep?
Maybe not postpone, but simplify it.
Simplify?
Yeah, focus on the key numbers first.
That could work.
You don't need every detail right away.
True.
You can always add more later.
That relieves some pressure.
Good.
For the client report, I still need data from finance.
Have you requested it?
I emailed them yesterday.
Any response?
Not yet.
I
I might send a reminder today.
Definitely do that.
I'll mark it urgent.
Good idea.
If they delay, I can't finish on time.
Right, that dependency matters.
Exactly.
Want me to follow up with their manager, too?
Would you? That would help a lot.
Sure, I'll ping him after this.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
No problem.
For the presentation slides, I already have a draft.
Nice.
I just need to polish the visuals.
That shouldn't take too long.
Hopefully not.
Maybe schedule a block of time for it.
Yeah, I'll reserve tomorrow afternoon.
Good plan.
That way I can focus without interruptions.
Exactly.
Do you think I should inform the team about the workload?
Yes, transparency helps.
I don't want them to think I'm slow.
They won't. Everyone's busy right now.
True.
Just explain the priorities clearly.
I'll do that in the stand-up meeting.
Perfect.
Should I mention the risks too?
Yes, especially the finance data delay.
That's the biggest risk.
Exactly.
If they know early, they can help.
That's the idea.
Sometimes I try to solve everything alone.
We all do.
But teamwork is smarter.
Definitely smarter.
What about your task this week?
I'm handling the vendor contract review.
Deadline?
Friday afternoon.
That's also tight.
Yeah, but manageable.
Need any support?
Maybe just a quick proofread tomorrow.
I can do that.
Thanks.
We're helping each other today.
That's the spirit.
So let's summarize priorities.
Good idea.
First, client report.
Agreed.
Second, presentation slides.
Yes?
Third, budget prep.
Right.
And for you, contract review first.
Exactly.
Do we need to update the manager?
Probably.
Better to keep them informed.
I'll send a quick status email.
Perfect.
Should we include estimated completion times?
Yes, that helps planning.
Okay, I'll draft it.
Want me to review before sending?
Sure, 2 eyes are better than 1.
Always. I'm feeling more organized now.
Good.
Talking it through really helps.
It always does.
Deadlines feel less scary when shared.
Exactly.
Thanks for your time.
Anytime.
Let's check again tomorrow.
Yes, quick check-in after lunch.
Sounds good.
We'll adjust priorities if needed.
Flexibility is key.
Absolutely.
All right, I'll send that finance reminder now.
Go for it.
Thanks again.
No problem at all.
Let's make this week productive.
We will.
Talk soon.
Talk soon.
Great job practicing today. If you repeated the sentences aloud, you're already improving your real-world English. Consistency beats talent. So come back for another shadowing session. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so we can keep creating more real-life English practice episodes for you. See you in the next episode of English Speaking Daily.